Tutorial push-ups. How to intensify a simple and basic movement. We're going to use the principle of basic plank position, partial repetitions, intermittent movements, and isometric static hold. Check it out. Now these guys, this is a basic plank position where I'm holding my abdominals in. And this is how you do a partial movement. If you can't go all the way down right away, just do here. Okay? And when you come back up, make sure your shoulders stay down. And what you want to do, you want to go here and back through. Here and back through. Keep your head in a neutral position. Here and back through. And guys, if you want to intensify the movement, you can do increments going down, controlling, and you can do the same coming up. You also can go down to the bottom and do an isometric hold. And then come back through. Back through. Back through. This tutorial was intended to show you that from a basic push-up, you can break it down into different type of techniques to intensify that workout and make out various types of routine to work your body.